it's the
Asuntosäästö Kaitans.
was the 27th of October today, 2022, and we have Iivisniemenkatu, Iivisniemenkatu 4 stakes A here in Iivisnies, the metro station. Should have been named Iivisnies.
Yeah.
Here in Espoo is what else? It has grocery channels, modernized Finland, and it was built in 1970. It turned 50 years old in 2020 in the celebration 18314, and I think I was in one of these before, but I don't remember which stage.
It was Iivisniemenkatu 2.
Ah, yeah. It's going to be straight in the next year, 2023. Yeah, in building 2 I was. The metro will open on the 3rd of December 2022.
Yeah.
And from then on, we can film the last elevators that we need to film from Antigua to Kielahti along the metro line.
Yeah. Inspekteert parkgewijs, meteen fascino.
But this last section of the metro line from Antigua to Kielahti is of course 4 years delayed.
Yeah.
Well, it was 4 years late, but now it will open, so it's just a little bit more than a month now.
That's